Pasta with grilled vegetables, the recipe for a fresh and light summer first course. Ingredients: short pasta 300 grams, long eggplant 1, medium zucchini 1, yellow bell pepper 1, red bell pepper 1, plum tomatoes 3, garlic 1 clove, extra virgin olive oil 5 tablespoons, feta cheese 150 grams, 10 basil leaves, fine salt, black pepper. Grilled vegetable pasta is a light and colorful summer dish, perfect for hot days. It's prepared with grilled vegetables such as zucchini, eggplant, tomatoes, and bell peppers, combined with feta cheese and fresh basil for a touch of freshness. The pasta is sautéed in a pan with the grilled vegetables and crumbled feta, creating a nutritious and flavorful dish. This dish can be enjoyed both hot and cold, making it ideal for a beach or mountain picnic. You can customize it by using your favorite vegetables and varying the choice of cheese. It's a versatile and delicious option for a summer meal. How to prepare grilled vegetable pasta. Wash and trim the ends of the zucchini, then slice them into approximately 5 mm thick rounds. Heat a grill until it's very hot, then add the zucchini rounds. Grill them for about 2 minutes on each side, then flip and continue grilling for the same amount of time. Once done, remove them from the grill using tongs and transfer them to a plate. Wash and trim the eggplant, then slice it into approximately 5 mm thick rounds. Grill the eggplant slices on the hot grill for about 5 minutes on each side. Flip the eggplant slices to ensure even cooking on both sides. Wash the bell peppers, then place them whole on the grill and let them cook for 10 minutes on each side, pressing them with a spatula occasionally. Once the pepper's skin is well charred, place them in a sealed food bag to create moisture inside. Leave the peppers inside the bag for about 10 minutes, then remove them, peel off the skin using your fingertips, remove the seeds, and cut them into strips. While the vegetables are on the grill, cook the pasta in plenty of boiling salted water. Finally, prepare the tomatoes by washing them and slicing them into approximately 1 cm thick halves, which you will cut in half again. Grill the tomatoes for 30 seconds on each side. In a large pan, add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and the peeled garlic clove. Heat it for a few moments over low heat. Meanwhile, drain the pasta when it's al dente and add it to the pan with the oil. Also, add the grilled vegetables. Add the feta cheese, crumbled by hand. Mix everything, return it to the heat, and sauté for 2 minutes. The grilled vegetable pasta is ready to be served hot or cold, garnished with basil leaves. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.